Hello everybody, this is Unit 1 of Let's Go 5, and Unit 1 is called How Much Food? In this unit we talk about counters and things that are countable and not countable, and we also talk about some different quantity words. But on these pages, we started with just discussion for the Let's Talk part. Kate and Jenny are having a party and they're talking about what things they need for the party. So let's go ahead and watch the video for that.
Hello? Hi, Jenny. I'm at the supermarket now. Is everything ready for the party? Are there enough pretzels?
I think so. There are 3 bags.
Are 3 bags enough?
Yes, they're big bags.
Do we need cake?
No, we don't. We have cupcakes.
Do we have any soda?
Yes, we do. Uh-oh, there's only 1 can. We don't have enough.
Okay, I'll get some. How many cans do we need?
We need 12 cans.
Okay. See you soon. I'm excited.
Me too. See you later.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Great. And at the end of the Let's Talk part, they had one section that was a language pattern, and it's asking, are there enough? And after that, if there are, we can say, I think so. And if there aren't, we can say, I don't think so. So let's go ahead and practice that.
I think so. I don't think so. I think so.
Okay, and then part C, we learned 8 new words, and these were things that normally we don't count, but if we put a counter on the start, we can count them. And the counters that we learned were can, bag, bottle, and piece. Now let's go ahead and look at the vocabulary first.
A can of tomatoes.
Cans of beans.
A bag of potato chips.
Bags of pretzels.
A bottle of water.
Bottles of soda.
A piece of pizza.
Pieces of watermelon.
Good. And the pattern for this was like this. How many oomph are there? If there's only 1, then we should say there is. So there is 1 can. If it's more than 1, we can use are. There are 4 cans. There are 5 bottles. All right, let's practice that and make some quick sentences.
There is 1 can. There are 5 bottles. There are 10 pieces.
Great. And now that we've got all of our review finished, let's go ahead and jump into the workbook. Okay, let's go 5 workbook, pages 2 and 3. Part A right here, she says read and write. So we can read the dialogue again and fill in the missing blanks. Let's start. Is everything ready for the party? Are there enough pretzels? There are 3 bags. We don't have enough. I think so. See you soon. How many do we need? Well, Kate said, are there enough? So I think the only answer here is I think so. So I'll write that. I think so. Cross it off. All right, and now number 2. How many cans of soda are there? There is only 1 can. All right, and we can pick from we don't have enough, see you soon, or how many do we need? And the answer here is going to be we don't have enough. We don't have enough. We need more than one. Okay, and number 3. We need 12 cans. Okay. Alright, so the last 2 have to go in here. First, there's a question. So Kate's probably going to ask the question. How many do we need? And next, Jenny answers and tells her how many. So Kate's going to say, okay, and the last one. So that's going to be, how many do we need? And see you soon. Let's write those in. How many do we need? You should write a little bit smaller in Let's Go 5. The spaces are smaller now. And last one, see you soon. See you soon. All right, part A is done. And this is part B. It just says match and write. So we have the pictures here. We're going to draw a line over to where the words are. And then we have to write in the counter here. And our counters are a can, cans, a bag, bags, a bottle, bottles, a piece or pieces. Number 1's done, so let's start there. Draw it over, and these are pieces, just trace it, of watermelon. All right, so pieces are done. Next, number 2, this is 1 bottle, so a bottle. And let's find where's water. There is water. So we draw down, down, down to here, and we'll write a bottle. A bottle of. A bottle of water. Okay, next, number 3. Well, these are bottles too, so we'll use bottles, and these are soda, so that's right here. Draw a line, and we'll write bottles of soda. Okay, number 4 is here, potato chips, and that would be here. So draw a line, and this is a bag right there. A bag of potato chips. Number 5, these are beans, and beans come in cans. Let's find beans. There are beans. Draw a line over, and we'll write cans of beans. Okay, number 6 is right here, pizza. There's pizza. And this should be a piece of pizza. A piece, P-I-E-C-E, piece. Okay, number 7, we got bags again, but this time these are pretzels. And there's pretzels right there. So draw a line under, and we'll write bags. Bags of pretzels. And the last one is these tomatoes. So draw a line up to the tomatoes, and this should be a can. So write a can of tomatoes. And part B is now done too. And this is part C. It says, look at B, answer the question. How many are there? Okay, so I'm gonna look up here and count, and you guys can do it in your book. And then we just have to write full sentences down here. If it's more than 1, there are. If it's 1, there is. Let's trace first. There are 2 pieces of watermelon. Okay. And number 2, there is 1. Number 2 is the bottle of water. So we'll write bottle, B-O-T-T-L-E, of water. And period is already here, so I'm not going to write a period. Number 3 were the bottles of soda, and I count 1, 2, 3. So I should say there are. There are 3, T-H-R-E-E, bottles of soda. Okay, number 4 is the bag of potato chips, and there's only 1. So we'll say there is. There is 1, O-N-E, bag of potato chips. Okay, number 5 were the beans, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 cans of beans. So I'm going to say there are. There are 4, F-O-U-R, cans of beans. And number 6 is the pizza, and there's only 1 piece. So we'll say there is. There is 1 piece of pizza. And number 7 was bags, and these are pretzels, and there are 1, 2, so we'll be using there are. There are 2, T-W-O, bags of pretzels. And don't need the period, there's already one over here. Number 8 is the tomatoes, and there's only 1 can, so we'll say there is. There is 1 can of tomatoes. T-O-M-A-T-O-E-S. Done. Just like that, the first 2 pages are done. Good job, everybody.